In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix bad quality TikTok uploads. Now, if you recorded a good quality video and when you upload it to TikTok, the quality degrades. Now, this happens because TikTok decreases the quality of your video in order to save space. Now, there is an option to upload high quality videos within the app of TikTok. Firstly, open up your TikTok app, and then from the home screen, tap on the plus icon on the bottom to upload your video. Now, after you have chosen the video, you can do all of the things on this page, and then what you can do is tap on next on the bottom right. After you do that, here you'll have an option of allow high quality uploads. Make sure you toggle this option on, and if you don't see this option, you can tap on more options right here, and it should be on inside this option. It should be either here or inside this option. You can simply toggle this option on and then post it. Now, what you'll notice after you do that is when you upload a video like that, the video quality will not be degraded as much as it used to. So that's the way that you can fix bad quality TikTok uploads. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll be back with more.